photons per second to radiate energy of 100 watt. What rate are the photons delivered? So first of all, we find the energy of one photon, Sc upon by lambda. The value of S is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. The value of C is 3 into 10 power 8 and divided by lambda 600 into 10 power minus 9. Now cut 100 और ये 1.1. So 1.1 into 3, 3.3 into 10 power minus 34 plus 8 और plus 7. ये वैल्यू होगी 3.3 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Now the number of photons equal to energy, total energy is 100 watt. 100 watt means 100 joule per second upon energy of one photon. 3.3 into 10 power minus 19. Decimal shift करोगे now cancel out 33.3. So 33.3 into 10 power minus plus 19